Yo, what's good? Juicy fam. Well, I'm here trading BTC USDT. I'm gonna open a position in view because as you can see it's touching the floor. So okay, here as soon as touch I'm gonna buy. Okay, yeah. Well, entry. Let's go. It's a really good entry. I bought the fucking bottom. Well, meanwhile, because I saw this. Okay, I'm up almost 100 USD. Well, I saw this entry over 100 USDT. I saw this entry. Yeah, I started to record. Remember, fam, I trading 154, 160. Remember, I'm recording. I'm trading on Pionex. You have the link down below and also in the description. You can trade stocks, you can buy and sell crypto, meme coins. Yeah, the best of all, the fees are super low. Also, you can customize your own bot. Well, until now, almost 200 USD. I'm gonna wait a little bit, maybe 250, 300, because as you can see, touch this support, then has touched several times and want to pump. So in any second, we are gonna see a big pump. Yeah, today is Monday, almost 4 p.m. And let's cook some juicy money. Well, meanwhile, let's take a look how the market is performing today. Well, I'm down 170, but chilling. I bought over 2000 USD with a leverage of 100x. Well. What about Ethereum? Meanwhile, let's take a look. Yeah, Ethereum the same. Want to pump in whatever moment. Remember, I'm trading in chart of 1 minute, 5 minutes. Okay, let's see the last day. Wow, also this trade that I did yesterday, yeah, I think so. Yesterday, no, 2 days ago, was a really good one. Yeah, big support. Yeah, these last days we have been touching the main supports. 1 second, because I wanna take a look. My entry, okay. I'm gonna change to 1 minute. Whatever question you have, broskis, let me know. Also, I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna do live streaming, trading leverage. Okay, 122. Yeah, I feel it. In whatever moment, I'm gonna explode. I'm gonna pump. Because we have seen this amazing pump. Like, yeah, at 2 p.m. at my 2 p.m. So the market is performing really good today. Yeah, almost 200 USD. Yeah, in minutes. In fucking minutes. Main support. And the main resistance is this one. And I'm gonna take profits, yeah, around here. Yeah, here. Well, 121 USDT, chilling. Okay. Maybe gonna come back again to my entry, and then, yeah, maybe something like this to test again the support. Yeah, 160. Let's go. Yeah. Sorry. Also, there is a promo on Pionex. Woo! 260. Close. Yes. 267 USD. We are fucking cooking. Bro, as I told you, I bought the perfect dip and I sold at the top. Didn't touch the resistance, but doesn't matter because I don't wanna get FOMO. But the entry was good. The entry was really good. 1 second, I'm gonna, yeah, like this. Wow. I have a magic ball. And also, broskis, here on Pionex, to create an account is super simple. Just, you need an email, your password, no KYC required. And yeah, you can customize your own bot. You can trade with leverage. You can trade stock. Well, now the stock market is closed because it's almost 4 p.m. But yo, you can trade whatever stock. Also commodities. You can buy crypto, you can swap, you can get your own crypto card, you can stake memes, stake crypto. Yeah, you can do a lot of things here on Pionex. And the best thing of all, the fees. The fees are super low. With my code, there is a promo, and depending on your deposit, they are gonna give you some money. You have all the info down below. Also, quick reminder, fam, join to the fucking GC house, the best meme coin community community ever, where you are gonna meet successful traders, you are gonna make friends, you are gonna gain insane knowledge. Yeah, and of course, if you keep consistent, you are gonna print some GC money, yo fam. I fucking told you. I have the fucking magic ball. Crazy. Yo, imagine that I'm still holding. I could make maybe here like 700, even more, 700 USD, but profits are profits. Because before buying whatever crypto, you have to know what's your exit strategy. Yeah, exactly, touch the resistance as I mentioned before. Now the buy pressure is it's pumping. So let's see, maybe I'm gonna break out this resistance. Let's see. But crazy. Yeah, but basically, as I mentioned at the beginning, maybe this, or basically a god candle and break out these levels, and then, but yo, these last days, Bitcoin is getting a lot of motion and the buy pressure is really good. Well, broskis, and if you wanna refill your bags, you can buy crypto on Pionex. Well, broskis, so remember, I stream every single day. And also, I upload videos about trading with leverage every fucking single day. Well, GG broskis, you have all the links down below. See you, legends!